Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn how to prepare the bank reconciliation statement. Basically, there are 5 types of reconciliation statement mostly prepared. Include the bank reconciliation statement, customer reconciliation statement, vendor reconciliation statement, intercompany reconciliation statement also known as branch reconciliation statement, business specific reconciliation statement like cost of goods sold statement, and other account statement like credit card reconciliation statement, balance sheet reconciliation statement, or cash reconciliation statement. Okay, we will learn each types of reconciliation statement in the different series of video. But in the today's video, we will learn how to prepare the bank reconciliation statement. Okay, now before I start to prepare the bank reconciliation statement, I would like to tell you some additional information related to this. Okay, so basically there are the 5 steps for reconciling any statement, starting with the bringing the statement and ending with the calculating the closing balance of the second statement. That is, first we will follow this step, that is the bringing the statement. Then second, the deciding the first statement to follow. Third, identifying the closing balance of the first statement and adjusting the unique, duplicate or any error transaction in the form of add or less. And finally we will calculate the closing balance of the second statement. Now if I talk about the debit and credit rule under this statement, that is under the bank reconciliation statement, the debit amount increases the balances and credit amount decreases the balances under the cash book, while under the passbook the debit amount decreases the balances and credit amount increases the balances. Okay, that is, there is a opposite relationship between the cash book and passbook. You can see here. Okay, now we have also some additional notes, that is this one. Okay, in this note you can see that if the closing balance is in negative, use the word overdraft, otherwise balance. Similarly, the second note is if the first statement start with the cash book, then we will end with the passbook. Similarly, if the first statement start with the passbook, then we will end with the cash book. Alright, now let's start to prepare the bank reconciliation statement based on the current understanding, that is this concept. Alright, you can see here we have given 2 statements, that is the cash book statement and the bank statement. The bank statement also known as a passbook statement. Okay, so based on this information we will prepare the bank reconciliation statement by using this format. So under this format you can see that we have 2 sections in the form of add and less. Under these sections we will put the adjusted transactions information based on selected statement as a first statement, so that we can calculate the balance of the second statement. Okay, so now here I'm going to select this statement as a first statement. Okay, so based on this statement I'm going to put the closing balance from this statement. Okay, by writing the statement overdraft as per passbook due to the negative the closing balance, that is debit balance under this statement, you can see. Okay, so first click here and type the overdraft as per passbook. Now click here and now let's put the value, this one, that is negative 8,600. Alright, now let's identify the unique, duplicate or any error transactions from this statement. Okay, the process of identifying will start with the opening balance, that is from these sections to these sections. Alright, okay, you can see I have found some unique transaction, that is this one, right? And I have used the boxes, red boxes, to show the error in the transactions. Okay, you can see we have the opening balance in the both statement, so it has been cancelled. Okay, by using the cross line. Okay, you can see, right? Now let's put the transactions here, omitted or any unique transactions from this statement. Okay, so I'm going to follow this statement first. Okay, so you can see that we have interest paid amount, this one, which is the unique transaction that is not appear in the cash book. That's why we have to adjust these balances under the less section, because the interest paid should be added in the cash book if we will follow, but we are following the passbook, that's why these transactions will be shown here. Okay, so for here I'm going to type interest paid. okay, and put the value 850. Okay, now press the enter key. Similarly, our second unique transaction is postpaid mobile bill paid. That is, this is our expenses. That's why this balance should be kept under the add sections, okay, while following the passbook. Okay, so for this, type the postpaid mobile bill paid. How much? 450. Okay. Similarly, the third transaction is dividend received. This is our income, and this income will be added in the cash book but less in the passbook. So based on the above selected statement, we have to put this transaction under the less sections. Okay, so for here, just type the dividend paid and put the value 750. Okay. Similarly, the next transaction is insurance premium paid. That is this one. Okay, how much? 15,750. And you can see that these transactions has been identified by using the red boxes. Why? Because there is a error in this transaction. You can see that we have paid the insurance premium by 70,500, but due to the banking error, the balance is showing less than this one. That is the insurance premium paid by undercast. Okay, so we have to put the remaining amount under the less sections, because the actual remaining balance increases the cash book, but we are using the passbook. That's why this transaction will be kept under the less section. So click here and type the insurance premium paid by undercast by how much. We can simply subtract this amount from this. So press the equal sign and now click this one minus this one, and now press the enter key. Alright, you can see. Alright, now the another transaction is, that is this one, mobile banking charges. This is the expenses, and this section will be added while using the passbook. Okay, so for this, just click here, type the mobile banking charges. How much? 200. Alright, now we are done from this statement. Now let's come to here and follow this statement. And under this statement, we have only two unique transactions, that is this and this one. And under these two unique transactions, we already completed this transaction by calculating amount from these two value. Now we have one transaction left, that is this one, and this transaction is discounted bill, which is our income, but this income is not showing under the bank statement or passbook. That means this bill has been dishonored, okay, due to any technical error of the company. Alright, so for this, it should be added under the passbook, because this balance decreases the balance of cash book. Okay, so for this, just click here and type the name discounted bill dishonored. How much? 20,500. Okay, now simply just add this value. Okay, so for this, click here and press the equal sign, type the sum function, and now select the range from here to here. Now press the enter key. Okay, now similarly for these transactions, we have to add. Okay, but here we will use the value in the negative form. Okay, so for this, click here and now press the equal sign and press the subtract sign first and type the sum function, and now select the range from here to here, and now press the close parenthesis and now press the enter key. Alright, you can see this is the total of this column that is showing in the form of negative. Alright, now click here and now just add all these three values. Okay, so for this, press the equal sign, type the sum function, and now select this one, comma, this one, comma, this one, and now press the close parenthesis. Now press the enter key. Alright, you can see value is showing in the positive form. That's why we have to use the word balance first, and the second word should be added here, which is cash book, because we have started with the passbook. So for this, we have to type the statement balance as per cash book. Now press the tab, and now you can see that under the cash book, you can see that this balance is showing here. That means the calculation is correct. You can see that this balance is the closing balance of the passbook. You can see, which is negative or debit. That's why the word overdraft is used here. But here you can see after adjusting all the necessary transactions, we found this balance of cash book. Okay, and this value is showing in the positive form. That's we have used the balance word here. Okay, all right, and you can see the closing balance has been successfully matched. So guys, it's a very easy to prepare it. That's all for now. Thanks for watching this video. If you find it useful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And if you have query regarding this video, please ask me in the comment box below. See you in the next types of reconciliation statement in the next video. Signing off.